Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Good Monday morning to all of you. First of all, overnight prices were higher. Beans are up about 8 cents, corn's up a penny, and wheat's up about 6 cents. The news over the weekend, first in Europe, Spain announced a bailout of their banks of somewhere between $100 and $120 billion. That's got the dollar lower and the euro higher. Some of the Chinese economic data, industrial production, inflation, were all a little bit better than expected. That also helped Asian stock markets. The big news, I think, over the weekend is the U.S. weather pattern. We are going to have some rain that's moving across the Midwest in the next 36 hours. Then high pressure will set in for most of the Midwest for the rest of the week and the weekend. The European model has no rain the second week. The American model tries to bring in a tropical depression in the Gulf and move it up and into the Midwest with rains. All in all, it's very hard to predict tropical depressions 2 weeks out in advance. We did see a low ball estimate of the U.S. corn yield at about 157 bushels per acre. The government's using right now 166 bushels per acre. If the final yield is that low, prices are going to go higher. So we're in this kind of mode where we're kind of watching the weather. I would assume that if the weather stays mostly dry over the next 2 weeks, prices will be higher 2 weeks from now than they are now for the grains. So tomorrow we have a USDA report. This is supply and demand. It's kind of a monthly report they put out. The difference is it will actively be open trading when the USDA puts out the numbers. So expect a very wild, volatile trade that first 15 to 20 seconds that the numbers come out. So again, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and we hope you have a safe and good trading day.